Kenyan patient successful spine surgery in India. Mrs. Lucy Jebet from Eldoret, Kenya had a successful spine surgery in India for chronic lower back pain, weakness in legs, and moving of fingers in the left leg. A name trusted by the Kenyan patients for medical treatment in India. CMCS Health offers the best medical tourism assistance for Kenyan patients seeking medical treatment in India. To know more, visit our website cmcshealth.com. Mrs. Lucy Jebet from Eldoret, Kenya was suffering from chronic back pain that radiated to her legs. She even found it difficult to move fingers in her left leg. Her family approached CMCS Health with her medical report. CMCS Health, the best medical tourism company in India, assisted the family in getting medical opinion from the best Indian doctors, assisted in selecting best doctors and top hospitals for treatment of Mrs. Lucy Jebet, performa invoice and medical visa invitation letter assistance, assistance in medical visa and travel itinerary, medical treatment and Indian stay coordination with compassion and empathy. Send your queries to us on our WhatsApp number +91 95820 56061. Dr. Hitesh Garg, spine surgery specialist and unit head of spine surgery at Artemis Hospital, Gurugram, India, was selected by the patient after receiving the opinions of many spine surgeons in India through us. After physical medical evaluation, Dr. Hitesh Garg advised for imaging tests like MRI of the whole spine and X-rays of the knee and hip joint. The imaging test revealed that Mrs. Lucy was suffering from grade 1 spondylolisthesis, that is slippage of one vertebra over another at L4 and L5 level. Impingement of the nerve was causing for this lower back pain and leg pain. After carefully evaluating her imaging test report, Dr. Hitesh Garg has decided that the patient would benefit from endoscopic T-leaf spine surgery. Mrs. Lucy and her medical attendant Regina was counseled by Dr. Hitesh Garg about the surgery. The hospital admission counseling team gave her a cost estimation of her spine surgery. She was admitted in Artemis Hospital, Gurugram, India for 3 days for her spine surgery. A dedicated patient care expert of CMCS Health assisted them in the whole process. The spine surgery of Mrs. Lucy was successful. It relieved the pressure on nerves and gave the nerve the breathing space. She was relieved from her crippling, long-standing back pain and weakness in legs. The name trusted by the Kenyan nationals for their medical treatment in India, CMCS Health. To learn more, visit our website cmcshealth.com or send your queries on +91 95820 56061. CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian from India, has kept a successful treatment celebration party for Mrs. Lucy Jebet at Artemis Hospital. The spine surgery doctor, Dr. Hitesh Garg, was also present in her moment of jubilation. CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian, is the name trusted by the Kenyans for spine surgery in India. To learn more about spine surgery in India, visit our website cmcshealth.com or WhatsApp us at +91 95820 56061. To learn more about spine surgery, cost in India, success rates, visit our website and follow the link in the bio of this video.